Hey, what's up? So this thing I don't know happened with you or not, but almost every Gen Z experience is like you wanna doing lot of things, but you are thinking that this is not enough. I would say, yeah, this happened with me, and today I am in college. So the thing happened is that this is my fourth year of BTech, and I am a kind of need a placement type of person. Even every fourth year student or go for higher studies or go for placements. Yeah, so I am going for placements, and the thing happen is that I am doing lot of things like academics. I could do for aptitude test preparing, or I have pursue a course of data analytics, so I am focusing on that three four things like improving my communication as well as. But you know what, I give like 6 7 hours daily for that things what I told you. But some things I don't know, that I am thinking that is not enough for me. Even that's the feeling is, I don't know what I would say that, but this is happening with me. And you know what, this is the thing that everyone is busy in their life. Even I am a kind of person, I am no connected with anyone in my college. I just focusing on my career, I would say that. And even that the thing is the best ever thing that I am doing. But this feeling, kya karu is feeling ka, just leave it. And you know what, even the Rakhi is coming, and I was thinking that Rakhi, when I celebrate Rakhi, and after my cousins are coming, and they are coming for 4 5 days, and I was thinking that I only celebrate one day Rakhi, and rather than all of days, I focus on my academics, communication, whatever I said to you. But I am thinking that I also want to spend time with them. Then I have thought that I don't need to waste my time, I would say. So that's mix of emotions happening with me, because you know what, this is my fourth year, and after I will place. So I have no time to meet my cousins, and we are here together for like when we are in our childhood. We all spend time together. I make a proper video on that I am missing them. To be honest, I'm missing them. I'm missing masti with college friends. I'm missing the school, friends meet up like that. But I'm also, frustrated of what I'm doing. It's not enough. I know, in my inner voice I would say that please calm, you are doing great, you are doing great, like that. The thing happened for my inner voice. But mentally I would say that I don't know why I'm feeling that. And you can see my face, and you can say that I'm in the tension. But yeah, I am in tension because my family make pressure on me, my college make pressure on me, and that's the reason I'm feeling that this is what I'm doing is not enough. And yeah, I am in college, and this is my second day of college after college opening. And I don't come college because as I said what I am doing. And even if talking about attendance criteria, I am not focusing as well as for attendance, because I was thinking, if I got from college 20 marks and not get placed, so that is good. Or I got 3 4 marks मिल sorry 3 4 marks कम अगर मुझे मिलेंगे and I got placed, so that is good. Yeah, so that I go for my second thing, and yeah, I am doing great. So please keep hard studies, keep do hard work, smart work, whatever you want to do, but at least do. So yeah, bye bye.